In this video, you'll learn how to use the module SmartReader in Synergy Viva. SmartReader is located in the reference library. It's this icon right here. So if you own SmartReader, you can highlight text in your reference library and make notes about it. Let's say that you're working on a case and you're reading about a remedy, researching a remedy for your case, and you run across a symptom that matches your case exactly and you want to make a note of that, for instance. You simply highlight the text, right-click, which on a Mac is holding down the Control key as you click, choose the color that you want. Now the text is highlighted, and in order to notate about what you've highlighted, you can come over here and click on this icon here, and you double-click to open the note window. I'm going to double-click. Here's the note window. You make your note, and you hit save. In order to access that note again, the double-click allows you to come and reread, and then you can close. Or if you want to change what you've written, you can clear and start again. If you do that, don't forget to hit save. And to close this window, you simply hit the X. To remove highlighting, I'm going to X out of this. You simply hover your mouse over the text that's highlighted, right-click, and choose the message Remove Highlight. And then you simply click on the trash can, and it takes out the note as well as the highlighting. Let's say that you want to make a general note about a remedy and you don't necessarily want to highlight. You can do that. You simply click on this plus sign here, double click to open that note, and you type what you want. You hit save, and you have a general note about this remedy instead of a note focused on the highlighted part. I'm going to close out of this. I'm going to go to a different remedy, come back down to Allium Cepa, click here, and so you see that you can access your notes when you're back on that section that you notated. If I'm anywhere else in the program, let's go to a different remedy. That note won't be visible because it doesn't pertain to this section, this remedy. When you've made notes and highlights in your Materia Medica, you want to be sure to save them as well. So you can come up here to User Preferences, Backup and Restore, and I'm going to hit Backup, choose SmartReader, start my backup, and once you see the green message, you know that you're backed up. And those notes are now on your computer, so that if your computer ever crashed and you had to be reinstalled, you could bring those back into your program through your backup. I hope this video has been helpful to you, and I hope that you choose to buy the SmartReader feature, which can be very helpful in your research and case analysis. Thanks so much for watching.